Hello everybody, this is me, Colin with uh, this video, and so I'm going to talk about domain name flipping, the opportunity that you can have right now, and I kind of got started with domain name flipping, and I made some good money on it. Um, and but the reason I kind of stopped doing that was because I wanted to focus my energy into email marketing and affiliate marketing, something more um, automated type thing, right? So, but anyway, so I want to tell you about this great opportunity right now in domain name flipping. Which, if you don't know what domain name flipping is, it's basically having a website, a domain name, the name of the website, and I know register it for like the registration fee, which is like $9, and then flip it, resell it for 100, 500, 1,000, or how much to somebody else. If you flip it at a profit, um, which I mean, and really that's the thing. But I'm gonna talk about the great opportunity right now. Uh, you may you hear a lot of people saying that you should register .com domain names, which they do have a lot of value. Um, if you find a good .com domain, um, and you can sell it. And so, but I was thinking about so what I have found out was like a while back, I'm talking about like 3 months ago. Somebody actually contacted me and told me that they wanted to buy a domain name that I had. I was not even using it, and so I sold it, and I sold it for $500. I took the escrow, um, an escrow, and so I got for $500, and I was not even gonna use it, and actually it was going to expire that domain name. So that was a good, that I was able to flip it. But anyway, so what now, um, now, so you see a lot of people are talking about .com domain names, but what what you really have to understand is that um, you know, instead of going after the .com, if you find good ones, go ahead, go after them. But now the big trend is the IO, extension domain names, which stands for Indian Ocean, right? And the thing is that Google, you know, they realized that not many people, you know, they not many people around that area use a lot of internet. So what they have done is they kind of have Google's now it's kind of more giving more like SEO type um, ranking power to the IO. And so what this means to you, if is that you can actually go after these IO domain names, and register them, and you can flip them. So instead of going to the .com domain names, you can go after the IO, and you can actually flip them and make good money of it. Obviously, what I would do is I would appraise it. You can go on estabat.com. That's a you know, and that's a free um that's a good appraisal website, and it's free. You can go there, so you can appraise them. But really, the IO The IO extension domain names are very it's basically the hot trend. Um, so anyway, and so if you really think about it, you can that's a in a domain name that's a valuable asset that you can flip it to a business or to you can go on a flipper and you can do or you can actually um or what you can do is you can actually develop it and send some traffic and once it's getting some traffic you can actually flip that as a turnkey business and people are willing to pay big money for that. They're willing to pay money for that. But anyway, so that's really the hot trend right now. I recommend getting into it. Um, there's actually a course that I have put about domaining in my channel, which should be uh, above. So I think on the side right now or whatever, you should be able to click it, and it's gonna take you to that to my home the domain name course. It's on my channel. So I recommend you watching that and get a little bit more an idea about domaining. But I'm just gonna here to share about the new trend. Hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.